every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 266th day of my challenge, where I'm gonna try something when I'm gonna say the name, you will laugh, because Laura herself did not really say the name out loud, so no idea where is that, how it's pronounced. I already know this will be not correct. Or will it? Brie and Croute. If it's just Croute, I don't know. I'm gonna try something really interesting. Never did I try anything similar to that. We will put Brie inside puff pastry with other goodies and bake it. I mean, bake cheese. It's already kind of no fail in my mind, so I'm pretty sure it will be awesome, but I'm really curious just because it's one of those recipes where I really don't have an idea how it will taste like in the very end. So I'm really excited. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying out this Brie and something for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 1 wheel of Brie, 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry, thawed. You want to have a square. 30 grams of dried cranberries, 10 grams of pecans, chopped, 40 grams of honey, and some egg wash, that is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water mixed together. The first thing I did was turn on my oven to preheat to 200 degrees. That's what it's doing now, and I'm gonna start on working, oh my god, on puff pastry, and I hope it's not stuck to the plate. So I'm gonna lightly flour my surface and then roll it out just enough so that once I put my Brie on top of it, I could easily close it from all sides and it would be enclosed. So I'm gonna keep my Brie there, just, you know, to kind of like eyeball the size. And I think I'm gonna roll out slightly more than I need so that I could, you know, copy Laura and cut out a couple of decorative pieces for the top. Now, I don't really have a autumn kind of themed cookie cutter here. I should add at my mom's. So I think I'll just cut out like a couple and maybe then cut those in half. We'll see. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna actually, I think, cheat. I'll just kind of cut out, I think, maybe like this. Let's try if I cut out from the sides. Let's move a little bit to the side, shall we? Because I still have some clean table here. So now, into a small bowl, I'm gonna add honey, pecans, and cranberries and mix everything together. But actually, before doing that, I'm gonna pop my honey into the oven, not oven, sorry, microwave for a few seconds so that it gets a little bit more runny and, you know, easy to work with, and be right back to mix everything together. Okay, back to this side. Now Brie will go hang out here for a moment. Now this will go into very center of the puff pastry. Okay, Brie goes right on top of that. This is so cute. I feel like a kid somehow. Okay, and now I will take my egg wash, brush the sides of the puff pastry, and do my best on enclosing everything. Okay, I feel I should turn it over. This will be the bottom, which, great job at preparing the baking sheet. Okay. I'll put it right here on the flour and bring my baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Okay, let me invite you again to this corner of my kitchen, the clean one. Okay, so I have this Before touching the dough, because I did clean my hands, I will cut my decorations in half, then bring my Brie, which is sitting there, brush the top and sides of it with some egg wash, put my decorations on, then brush those with egg wash. I mean, I have a lot of egg wash, I might as well brush everything, and then this will go into the oven for 20 minutes. Laura said wait 10 minutes before cutting in and then the cheese won't run away. I listened, but the cheese didn't. But you know, when you think about it, this is melted cheese. I mean, unless you wait until it's... Oh, I will make such a mess. Okay, this was not the smartest idea, but it was nice for making a picture. Oh man, this is hard to cut. So anyways, what was I saying about the cheese? Unless you wait for it to fully cool down, I feel like it will run away anyways, so I don't mind. Let's try. By the way, should I try first? Nah, I will tell you quickly the story. Now you will listen to a review of a person who used to melt just regular cheese, which she would find in the fridge, in the microwave, and I loved it. So, I mean, this is how many times better, I don't know, but let's see. Oh yeah, I mean, this is melted cheese with additional things. My puppy, man, that's good. My puppy was eyeing this while it was cooling down so much, I thought she would just steal it. Even though I put it on the table, you should have seen her. And now she's like walking all around. Okay, I think I can tell the goodness of this thing by the way how I have zero eye contact with you. Puff pastry, melted cheese, some crunchy, sweet, yummy goodness inside. I mean, I have no idea who wouldn't like this. Okay, I know I should like stop and wrap it up. Let me just have another bite, as if I didn't decide that I love it already. Yeah, this is so good. My mom will love this. I mean, everyone would love this. I imagine no person whom I would give this and they wouldn't like. I have cranberries and other things all around my kitchen. So good. Honestly, so good. But then again, how can melted cheese not be good? That taste. Loved, loved, loved it. If you want to see how Laura makes it, you can check the description. Wait, that's not the description box. That's the video, but I believe the actual link is there. This is just the picture. I know, don't ask, YouTube world. If you want to find this yummy, tasty, gooey, sticky, crunchy, and like all the other good things recipe, check the description box down below. You will find it in both American and the metric systems. This is just so pretty. Look at this. I mean, I'm making this and coming to visit you, okay? Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!